How to start page numbering from a specific page on Google Docs. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily do that, so let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Hit enter and find any document that you want to edit. So I'll just go ahead and create a blank document for now. So let's just say this is the front page. And we'll go to the next page. This is the table of contents. And we'll go to the next page. This is the intro page. All right, so let's say if I want the page number to start from the intro page, what I can do is click on the start of the page right here, move the cursor, go to insert, and then you're going to have to insert a break. Go ahead and enter a section break. Now it's going to take your intro to a next page. That's completely fine. Just press backspace once and you'll be taken to this page again. Now make sure you've selected your cursor on the start of the page here. Go to insert and then go to page numbers. Now once you find page numbers here, you can just go ahead and insert the type of the page number you want. So let's just go ahead and do that. So go to the format tab and then go to page number. Now select this section and then start at 1. Make sure that this one is selected. Click on apply. And now it's going to start the page number from this specific page. So what I can do is just scroll down here until I find the page. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and select the page. And all you have to do is go to the header. And then make sure this one is turned off, link to previous. Make sure this one is turned off. And then you can just go to format again, page numbers, and then start at 1. Click on start at 1 and then apply. Now the page number is going to start at 1 from here. And you can just remove the page number from above. And you can just go back. Now the front page and the table of contents does not have any page number. But the intro page and any pages below that will have page number starting from here. So if I just go ahead and enter a new page here, it's going to have the page number 3. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.